Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to get your money back from Cash App. So if you sent money to the wrong person, you can request a refund. So to do that, just open the Cash App, tap on Activity tab, the clock icon in the bottom right corner, which looks something like this. So we'll have to tap on this one, and then find and select the payment in question. Tap the request refund and explain the reason for request. You can also contact the recipient. If the refund request doesn't work, you have to send a polite message to the recipient explaining the situation and asking them to refund the money. Now, if you've been scammed, you can cancel the payment if possible. So if the payment is still pending, you might be able to cancel it. So to do that, you just have to go to Activity tab, find the payment, and look for the cancel option. You can also report the scam to Cash App. To do that, just open Cash App and tap the profile icon. Scroll down and select support and or something else. Now tap report a payment issue and then just follow the prompts to file a report. You can also dispute the payment. So if you used a linked debit card or credit card, you can contact your bank or card issuer to dispute the transaction. And if there's an issue with a merchant, you can request a refund from the merchant. To do that, just contact the merchant directly and explain the issue. If they agree to issue a refund, it should appear in your Cash App account within 10 business days. You can also dispute with Cash App. So if the merchant refuses, you can dispute the payment through Cash App by going to support, selecting on report a payment issue. And that's basically it. That's how you get back your money on Cash App. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!